bring the forward mounts up here. Watch your footing on the roots.
Hook point is right above the fuselage connection. Watch the roots on the cockpit when you lift.
All right, take the tension slowly. Easy now, easy. Hold steady at 2 meters.
Hold it steady. Bring it left just a little. Easy now, easy. Hold steady. We need another 5 degrees port side. Keep it coming slowly. Easy, easy. Bring it down another foot. Watch the starboard side clearance. Hold it right there. Easy now, easy. A little lower on my mark. Hold it right there.
All right, take this end and loop it under the fuselage.
Understood. Is this position clear?
Yes, make sure it's tight. We are almost done here.
Keep going, almost there.
It's tight on this side, sir.
All right, last pump and lock it down. Watch the left side, clearance is tight. We have maybe 3 inches on the tail boom. Keep it steady. All right, bring it forward slowly. This is incredible. Look at the size of her. Watch your spacing on the right side.
As discussed, the engines need immediate attention once we offload it. The corrosion is significant.
Understood. We'll position the stands right here and start on the cowlings.
Okay, ease it back 5 inches on the starboard side. We need that sling centered on the main spar. Watch the cowling there. Blue team, pull that slack through.
That's it, clear the bed, take it up another 5 feet and hold. Looking good up here.
Keep it rising, steady now. Clear the truck bed. Copy that, lifting steady. Keep it steady, bring it in slow. Watch the tail rotor clearance.
Check the forward mounts. Make sure the padding is seated correctly.
Looks good here, boss.
All right, tension released. We are stable.
We must follow the corrosion treatment plan for the tail boom exactly as detailed here.
Understood. And the engine cowlings, are we fabricating those according to these schematics?
All right, team, let's get this starboard engine apart. I want those cowlings off first. Copy that. Setting up the lift right now.
Watch your grip. This thing is heavy.
I got it. Coming down now.
Almost there. Easy on the last rung.
Nice and easy. Watch the spacing there. Steady, steady. We're clear of the mounts now. All right, easy now. Keep it steady on the left side.
Roger that, coming down slowly.
Watch the clearance on the stand. All right, the mounts are free. We're set to lift on this side. Clear to move forward slowly.
Try the impact wrench on that mount bolt.
Got it.
The seal is completely deteriorated here. This component is almost ready for inspection.
I'm starting the cycle now. Keep documenting the gearbox components.
We're focusing on the drive shafts now.
Just a little more. Feel it catching?
It's settling now. Looks good.
As you can see on the display, we're significantly over the tolerance, 0.4 millimeters past the service limit.
Okay, push down on the bottom left.
I got it. Is it seating right there?
Almost. Keep the pressure steady.
Check terminal 12 again. Make sure it matches the diagram.
Reading continuity now.
Looks good up here. Moving to the next bundle.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the harness connections.
Copy that. Lifting now. The coverage is perfect. Absolutely uniform.
Looks good down here too. Ready for the next coat?
A little to the left. Okay, holding steady. We're clear on this side, boss.
Okay, torque sequence is critical here. Reaching the specification now.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Just a few more inches. Watch the alignment.
Got it. Looks centered.
All right, synchronized lift now. Up.
Got the balance point.
Good. Let's walk it slow towards the hub. Careful with the pitch links. All right, lift together now. Watch the alignment.
Got it. Pulling up.
Steady. Hold it right there. We're in. Okay, easy now. Bring the top left down just a fraction, like this. Hold it right there. We're almost seated.